In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own custom Google Chrome theme. This is a fun and creative way to personalize your browsing experience. Whether you're tired of the default look or simply want something that feels more you, customizing your Chrome theme is both easy and rewarding. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you need to open your Chrome browser. Once it's open, head over to a new tab. In the bottom right corner of this new tab page, you'll find an option labeled Customize Chrome. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to personalizing your theme and will open up a menu with a variety of options to help you get started. After you've clicked the Customize Chrome button, you'll see a menu pop up. One of the options available to you here is Change Theme. You should click on this next. This directs you to the area where you can start altering the theme to your liking, be it through colors, images, or both. Google Chrome offers several preset themes, but if you're looking to add a touch of your own unique flair, you'll want to create a theme from scratch. Creating your own theme begins with uploading your favorite photo. This image will serve as the background for your new tab pages. Choose something that resonates with you, whether it's a photo from a memorable vacation, a cute picture of your pet, or even a design that you've created yourself. Make sure the image is high quality for the best appearance. Once you've uploaded your chosen photo, you'll notice that a color palette option becomes available. This is where you can truly customize your browsing experience. The color palette feature allows you to select colors that complement your uploaded image. The colors you choose here will affect the overall aesthetic of your browser, impacting areas like your tabs and toolbar. You can select from a variety of preset color schemes or manually choose colors that you feel bring out the best in your new tab background. It's a good idea to experiment with different combinations. Try to find colors that not only match your image, but also provide good contrast, ensuring that text and icons are easy to read and don't strain your eyes. Remember, there's no rush in making these selections. Feel free to try out a few different options before settling on your final design. The best part about creating your own theme is the flexibility to change it whenever you like. If ever you tire of your current setup or want to mark a new season, you can always go back and update your theme to reflect your evolving tastes or moods. And that's pretty much it. You've now successfully created a custom Google Chrome theme that reflects your personal style. Not only does this enhance your browsing experience, but it also gives your computer a personalized touch every time you sit down to surf the web. Feel free to revisit this process anytime you want to refresh your browser's look. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.